Hi guys, my name is Rawat and I'm recording this quick video for InstaBoss demo. So let's directly log in into instaboss.com. So once you are logged in, you will be shown this dashboard, and to help you with the demo, I have logged in inside my Instagram account in a new tab. So let's get back to the dashboard part. So here we have like 5-6 options in the menu. The dashboard, campaign reporting, where you'll be seeing the stats of any particular campaign. New campaign, where you'll be creating the new campaign. This is trend finder, where you'll find the trending content, and the done for you. So this first set of display here shows how many campaigns you did and how many images you have created, viral videos and carousels. And these are the stats for your recent campaigns. These are the stats for your total campaigns so far which you have posted through InstaBoss. So this is the recent campaign which I did. And you can see the stats over here. For this particular campaign, the stats are over here. Okay, so let's create a new campaign first. Let's get started with viral image campaigns. There are 3 types of campaigns that you can create: viral image campaigns, viral carousel campaigns, and viral video campaigns. Let's get started with viral image campaigns first. So once you click on create new button, you'll be directed to these templates and you can select any of these templates. So for example, I'm selecting this template. Okay, end of season sale up to 90% off. So if I want, I can edit this particular campaign. So if you want, you can edit it over here. Let's say 50% off. And once that's done, I can go to the next button. And here I can actually post my particular image. So first, let's select the Instagram account for which you want to post. And you can search for hashtags. You can find suggested hashtags from here. So suppose this particular post is regarding photography, I can simply click on photographers and it will show you a set of hashtags from the system. And if you want to search any specific hashtags, you can type over here and click on search trending hashtags, and it will find you all the hashtags which are trending for photography keyword. Okay, now you can see with photography keyword there are 562 million posts. So if you want to select any of these hashtags, you can simply copy them. So suppose I want to select this one, copy, and then I can paste it over here. I can copy these hashtags as well and I can post them over here. So that's the hashtags. Then I can add the caption, 50% off. Okay, then I can mention whoever I want to tag in this post. Okay, tag them over here by mentioning their Instagram handle. So this is my another account, and I can do this manually from here, or I can search them from the search tool. And as you can see, like my first account, my other account is already appearing over here. So I'll just simply select this, copy and mention user. First let me remove this from here. Okay, now I can use it from here. It's copied and I can simply paste it over here. So if you want to tag someone else, you can search them here and you can simply tag them over here. Then the next thing is location. So you can add the location of your post. So right now I'm in India and Hyderabad city. So I'll type Hyderabad. Okay, so we have the location here, that's Hyderabad. So I'll select this, and once that's done, we have an option to whether you want this post to be as an Instagram story or not. If you don't want, you can select no. If you want, you can select yes, and it will be posted as a story as well along with the post. So you will be getting Instagram post. Along with that, you will also be getting Instagram story, and both the steps will happen just by clicking this yes option over here. Then the next option is
Would you like to schedule the campaign? If you want to schedule the campaign, select yes, and you select the time and date on which you want to post it. So this is just for demo purpose. I want to post it right away, so I'll select no. Okay, it looks good. Let's submit the button. Okay, now you can see campaign successfully created, and you'll be redirected in 5 seconds. So you'll be redirected to the campaign report page. So this is the campaign this is the campaign which we have created right now. You can see this is the image with 50% off sale. This is the image we created. Now it has already been posted as a story as well as post. And if you want to see it in the Instagram, we can click on this button, preview media, and it will take us to the Instagram. Now you can see this particular post has been posted in my account with the location Hyderabad, and this is the post, and I've also tagged my other account, so we can check the tag. You can see it tagged me m.ram.rawat, the other account. So it has successfully posted, InstaBoss has successfully posted this image along with all the hashtags and all the content. And if you want to see the story, whether it is posted as a story or not, we can check it out here. The story has been posted just a minute ago, and we can see this is the story, and this is the same post. If you want to check out the post, so whoever is watching your story, whoever is going through your story, they will be getting an option to check out your post by clicking on the see post button. So once they click on the see post button, they will be redirected to the main post. So that's the beauty of it. You don't have to create a separate story, it will be automatically created. If you want to check it again, let's see, this is the story, and when we click on it, click on the see post, and it will be taking you back to the same post which you have recently created. So that's the amazing feature. And the stats will get updated after 30 seconds to 1 minute. Okay, now let's create a new campaign where we will be uploading multiple images or maybe multiple videos. So for that, we have to go with the viral carousel campaign option. If you want to upload the videos, you can go with the create viral video campaign. So right now, for demo purpose, I'm going to create a multiple image campaign. So I'll select viral carousel campaign over here, and we are inside the editor, carousel campaign editor. Now first select the type of campaign, that is image carousel, and then either we can create the templates by editing these templates, or what we can do, we can simply upload our images from our device. And okay, let's do that. Let's directly upload the images which I have prepared. So I have prepared 2 quick images on food. So for example, let's see, if I'm a food lover, then caption is food is love, and I need to put some hashtags. I'll go here, I'll pick the hashtags from here, selected, pasted, and now I'll mention my other account, add it. If you want, you can add the place by selecting the search place option over here. And once that is done, let's select Hyderabad. Okay, we have the location here. Now we can select the location, Hyderabad, high-tech city. The location is being tagged, and I think rest everything is ready. I want to make it as highlight story, so yes. Then I want to schedule, I want to post it right away, so no to the scheduling, and let's publish this. Okay, we can see that the green sign has appeared, so we are redirected to this campaign reporting page, and we can see like our post is on Instagram. Now we can see the real Instagram post by clicking on preview media here, and it will take us to the Instagram account where this image has been posted. Okay, see, the image is posted, and if you want to see the next image, the next image is here. So we have posted multiple images with just one click. Now we'll check whether the whole thing is posted on our Instagram story or not. So simply go to the Instagram stories and check. See, The story has been posted like 50 seconds ago. Okay, let's check it out again. Okay, the story number 2, and this is our recent story posted 1 minute ago. We click on it and we have the button, see post button. It will take us back to the main post of the Instagram. See, multiple images have been posted here. So the tool works perfectly fine, and soon after some time when we start getting likes and comments, the stats will get updated. And let's get back to the dashboard. So this was the quick demo video of how you can get started with posting your content and managing your Instagram account through InstaBoss app. Apart from these features, there are some more features like trend finder, where you can actually find long tail keywords. Like if I want to search for like food is love, I can search it over here. And along with that, we have one more option. So these are like premium features. Then the other option is the done for you feature, where we have already kept some done for you templates in top 5 niches, so you can just check them out. So suppose I want to have templates in beauty niche or fashion, I'll just select the templates from here and I'll get the ready-made templates. So we can edit these templates, we can add the text content, we can replace the images, we can do all the things by simply using these done for you templates. And we'll keep updated the app every month with the done for you campaign, so you don't have to worry about limiting yourself. We can check out more done for you templates. So these are like ready-made work. You just have to tap into this work and you can get started really quick. And back to the dashboard, there's one more thing I want to tell you. You can check out the reports of your campaign, how your campaigns are performing, what's their stats, how they are behaving, by going into the campaign reporting section. And that's pretty much everything we have covered in the InstaBoss app. And thanks for watching this video. We'll see you inside.